Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS link, visit, hour, active and more. Let's start coding. Let me create a link and let's save it. I'm going to assign some style to make it better. A tag, then let's remove underline from homepage. Text, decoration, none, and save it. You see? Remove it. Let's change color purple and save it. Let's give a background color and save it. Let's change the color white. So that is our link. So I'm going to assign different options on a tag. First one, I want to add hover effect. A hover background color, let's say red, and color black. Let's save it. You see? When I get my mouse on it, it's changing back color and color of the text. Let's assign another one. A visited. Color blue. I'm going to click that one. You see guys, after clicking, it automatically make blue because it shows that link already visited. So that's the thing. And another one, A active. Color that one. The moment we can see that option properly, let me disable that one and click it. You see guys, when I click it, it means active and changing the color. We will use those options in our projects later. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.